very proud that the Prime Minister chose to accept our invitation to come and speak to our community. We find that what's happening in Aruba is really a model for the rest of the world. It's really inspiring to see the transformation of the island and political leadership that is so dedicated to this transformation. So we're very happy that he agreed to come and join us today.
Well, the Prime Minister of Aruba is very inspirational and visionary. Because he's one of the persons that really sees and uses the potential of a small island state. And the islands, of course, have oceans, the islands have wind, and the islands, of course, have sun. And he really is capitalizing on that, and in a positive way, of course. I mean, with all the disasters and with all the other risks of depletion of resources, he is really taking a right path, and this is the way for the future.
Plus, the Prime Minister talking about this, a lot of stability, the project, just like solar and waste energy, windmill is excellent for the Aruba, can attract more tourist people go to Aruba. So that's a great speech. And the latest student, all the business people know Aruba is a happy island, has a lot of opportunity.
Tahaya grateful e minister ta bem país assim aqui, que tem durf de apresentar nos visão diante de universidade tão grande assim aqui, ta busca afta hasi network, que hene colocou ajuda nos país vai diante, e aku na Aruba nos mestinhos ainda não estão motivados para ser ali, pero como que nós temos um país chiquito, sempre é bom para ter não tem bigger picture para por ajuda nós como isla vai diante.
The faculty at the Earth Institute, many of whom are very interested in these issues and are looking to see where around the world there are political leaders and communities that are moving in this direction, because it's very hard to find people who are as dedicated as your Prime Minister.
I actually already think Aruba is a leader in the Caribbean. I think the Prime Minister's presentation definitely made that clear. And I really look forward to seeing how Aruba and how we and Carbon War Room and a number of other actors can try to help share what they're working on and learning with others so that they can do the same.
The visit of the Prime Minister has been, for me personally, has been such a learning process. He's been here for a week, but it's such a learning process because my portfolio is sustainable development, and he has taught me a lot about sustainable development. So this I will take away with me for all of my life, and also to see a small island development state having this policy embedded in their democracy. That's a really special thing to see, and I think a lot of other states, not only small island states, can learn from this.
Colombia often has people, leaders coming from all over the world. We have something called the World Leaders Forum that usually takes place in September when the General Assembly is in town. So we often have prime ministers and presidents come to Colombia, and we're very honored to have the Prime Minister of Aruba come and join our community for this very wonderful talk he gave today.